Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to another episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Today we're going to make the Classic Strawberry Daiquiri. Not the frozen adult slushy drink, but rather a variation of the tried and true Classic Daiquiri, which is just rum, lime, and sugar. You can check out the episode where we do make the Classic Daiquiri and also make this homemade improvised Demerara Syrup, which is actually just simple syrup and molasses, which we'll also be using again today. And we'll be using some Bacardi Gold Rum. This is aged for 2 years. Now, regular daiquiri recipes will just have you use a regular white rum. However, if you do use the Gold Rum, it really has a more richer and complex flavor that'll really bring out the strawberries and make them more pronounced. And we're also going to be using some lime juice, of course, and here's some fresh strawberries I picked from my garden. Although they don't look the greatest, the garden didn't do too well this year. I think it got too hot or something. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our strawberry daiquiri. First thing we gotta do is get our strawberries ready. And that should be good. You just want to cut them up into some small pieces so you can put them in a cocktail shaker and muddle them. And of course we're going to do some fresh squeezed lime juice for this one. And we're going to put in about 3/4 of an ounce of our rich simple syrup here, or you could use regular Demerara syrup. And before you add your liquor in, you gotta muddle this up for just a little bit, enough to crush the strawberries and kind of infuse the flavor. Well, I mashed them up and made a nice strawberry pulp, and now you can finally add your 1.5 ounces of rum. I'm going to use a Hawthorne strainer for this one and a regular strainer so you can get out as much of that strawberry pulp as possible. Alright folks, let's go ahead and try this Classic Strawberry Daiquiri. This is very good. This is one of the most perfectly balanced cocktails I think there could be. It's just the right measurement of everything. The rum, the lime, the sugar, the strawberry. It's not strong, it's not too sweet. I'm gonna have to make another one just to take the thumbnail because I don't think this is gonna make it. I definitely recommend making it with the gold full-bodied rum and the Demerara syrup, molasses syrup. It really does bring out the strawberries a lot more than just regular white rum. Alright folks, if you haven't already, make sure you check out some of these other daiquiri episodes that we've made here at Bob's Bottom Shelf. Subscribe, and that's it for today. I'll see you in the next episode.